Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. So let's do another look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. Today I think I'm going to use the Mulberry, Dusty Rose and Tempera. So what I'm going to do first is I will take my Real Techniques shading brush and I'm going to go into Mulberry. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. Oh, actually, let me clip my hair quickly. They are so pigmented, so make sure you tap them off really well. And I'm going to go in my crease. I mean, look at that. And just apply it, quite a lot of it. It will look scary at first, but don't worry, we will blend it out. And the same on this eye. And that's your look done. I'm going right into the corner, just like this. Then I'm going to take, this is Sigma E35, and then start blending it upwards. Now I'm taking the, sorry about the light changing, but I'm in a natural light today and the sun is going in and out. Jaclyn Hill Morphe GH32, and I'm going to go into Dusty Rose and I'm going to blend that up quite high up. This is quite out there look, you know, it's quite dark. But it will look fine at the end. I know it looks scary now. Now on a flat brush, I'm going to take the Tempera, which is this light shade, and I'm going to almost like do a cut out that crease, carve out that crease with it. So I'm trying now to make my mobile lid look a bit bigger and pop, and especially I'm doming it, is that a word? Doming it right here in the middle, so I give myself that big shape. Can you see how that made my eyelid pop? Let's do the same on this eye. So I'm going with it like right under my bone, in like patting motions. Gone over that dark shadow a bit, just go back with your other brush and do that. Okay, now on my lower lid, I'm going to apply the Mulberry again, and I will do it like with an angled brush close to my eyelashes. I know I do my makeup in a weird way, but remember, I'm not a makeup artist. I just make it up as I go along. And I'm also with this eyeshadow going to extend this line to here, so almost making like a wing liner. I do it last because I know where to go with it. And then I'm taking the Real Techniques shading brush again, going back to Mulberry, and I will just fill in this outer 7. Okay. So now I'm going back to the lower lash line. I am taking Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease Brush 231. I'm going to go into Dusty Rose again. And then I'm going to smoke out that dark shade under my eye. So it's not like a really defined line. My eye is so bloodshot, this one. Then I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill brush that I applied Mulberry with here, and just blend this corner all out. I might go back with a flat brush and intensify this light shadow right here in the middle. And I might pop it tiny bit here. So this is all matte look. There is no shimmers here at all. And now I'm just going to apply mascara, my Nars Climax mascara. I'm not doing any liner. And I put loads and loads of mascara on. So I do one coat, I'll probably do 3 or 4 coats. Just keep building it up. And this mascara is pretty good, it doesn't clump, so I can keep building it up. I sometimes go over the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara as well, because it's a bit smaller brush and I can really get into the root of my lashes and it defines my lashes a bit more. That is the finished eye look. On my lips today I only have this. This is the DIOR LACQUER PLUMP in Glitterati, and I don't have any lip liner, nothing, just because I can't be bothered. So this gloss, when you first put it on, is much lighter and then it gets darker. And sort of dries out a bit, so it looks glossy, but it's not very slidey, if that makes sense. Okay, my lovelies, so that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.